Hey guys, what's up? It's Heidi. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new everyday routine on my makeup look, because the last one, I think it was like 8 months ago, but when I did that look, I was like, I have learned a lot, you know what I'm saying? So I do have a new routine for my everyday makeup routine. So if you guys want to know what's new, then please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I know my hair is really messy right now, but guess who's running late? Ugh, I'm not a freaking morning person at all. By the way, I'm trying to show you guys that I am wearing a shirt, because if I go closer to the camera, you guys, it looks like I'm naked. So starting off with my everyday makeup look, I usually scrub my lips with this lip scrub. Usually I start off with my eyebrows, and I still use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade in the shade Bonnie. So I'm just gonna be brushing my eyebrows. I'm gonna do this step real quick, guys. I'm not really gonna go in depth. I do have an eyebrow tutorial, which I need to update that too, because when I did those videos, I mean, it hasn't been that long ago since I did these videos, but you learn a lot in a couple of months. So since I did use a pomade, I usually go with where's that at? Sorry, it's just I have so much messy here because your girl just comes home to sleep and eat and then fucking repeat. I usually use the Morphe 25 B palette, and the last dark shade right here, I usually put that on my eyebrows just to kind of setting the brows, because like I said, I use a cream brow pomade. So everything else that's cream, you have to set it. So I'm just gonna grab the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and shape my brows. Okay, so now that I did my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using a little bit more concealer to put on top of my lids. Gonna blend it with my finger. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the Airspun powder and this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go and set my lids. This is one thing that I changed on my routine. I now set my concealer on my eyes, because when I do get when it's late for me to go to work, I find that if I don't set the concealer, it's low-key, it takes me longer to blend out the eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna start setting my eyes again. Do you guys like my top? It's a crop top I got from Fashion Nova. I really fuck with the color, bro. It brings me summer vibes. Right. Anyways, now I'm gonna be I really didn't want to use this palette till I gave a full review on it, because I was gonna do a whole ass look with it, but this is one of the shades that I use every day, so fuck it. I'm gonna be using the Daisy Marquez palette, and I'm gonna be using only the shade Dulce. This is a pretty orangey but kind of bronzy look, and I really fuck with it. So I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. Grabbing the James Charles palette and using the shimmery color. I don't know what it's called, bro. I've lost the... What is that called? The shade names or whatever the hell. I just popped that on my eyebrow. Fuck. I fucking love this color, bro. My favorite everyday go-to palette used to be the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my gosh. But now is it James Charles, because freak, that shit looks palm is thick. Alright, so moving on to the eyes. Well, we are doing the eyes. But anyways, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner with this matte liquid eyeliner. I bought it off of Amazon. I love this eyeliner, bro. Like, it leaves my eyes matte as fuck. My eyeliner on camera, but I'm not going to talk because we all know how hard that is and we need fully concentration. I'm just gonna do the eye off camera because I already know that's gonna give me a pain in the ass. So I will. Okay, guys. So I did the eyeliner. Girl, that was so easy. Oh my god, I don't know why my eyeliner is helping me out this day. The lashes, I'm gonna be using the Heidi D SAUCY lashes. I did a fully review on my video about this bad boys. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description box. This is gonna sound so stupid, but have you guys ever like took off your lashes like at the end of the day and out of nowhere you can see more clear? Or is that just me? Because oh my god, yesterday when I got off work and I got home, I took off my lashes and I could see better. Like I was like, what? I don't know if it's just because like they're kind of heavy, so that they kind of like bring your eye down. Okay guys, so I'm done with the hard part. All the next steps are gonna be a fucking walk in the park. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face using the baby skin primer. This one makes my face smooth and like it feels nice, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be using this BB cream right here. It's from Garnier. I don't fucking know. Shade light to medium. And I'm just gonna be, since I can't put it in my hand, I'm just gonna put it on my beauty blender, beauty sponge. Yeah, it's called a beauty sponge because beauty blender out here shading people for no reason. So okay, BB cream is like kind of like foundation, but it has very light coverage. So I guess that's the only difference. That's why I feel like BB cream is more like an everyday kind of thing. For like when you go to work, like when I used to go to school, I used to wear BB creams as well because I just felt like it was more easier. And like, you don't look like you're trying so hard for like just work or just school. Honestly, in school, I don't even care, bro. I don't even know how people thought I was pretty. Like in school, I would wear sweatpants. When I got here, I would wear sweatpants. It smells good. And I would have a bun. And then I would just call it a day. I wouldn't even wear makeup. Like I just wouldn't care. Since I was like the new girl, it's so sad because I was like new on my second semester of senior. So I don't even have time to make friends or anything. But I did meet a couple of cool people. So, but anyways, that's beside the point. I wouldn't really try because I was like, what the fuck? Like, I don't even know these people, so why the fuck does it matter how I look? And then I don't know how, but they started finding people. People started finding my Instagram. And then I was like, oh shit, they're gonna think I'm a catfish. I still didn't give no fucks because I was not gonna wake up at 5 in the morning to do my makeup and all that shit for school. So for concealer, I am gonna be using the Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer. Also, I know this is like a little bit more lighter than my skin tone. That's because I really like the concealer to pop out. Kind of use it like a highlighter. And there's nothing here anymore. I'm literally scraping it off. Oh my gosh. Put a little bit on my forehead. Oh jeez, like I'm literally like scraping concealer off of this. Like there's nothing there anymore. Keep blending it out. I need to buy a new beauty sponge as well because this one is not it, girl. It's gonna be setting my face with the Airspun powder. And a little bit over here. And a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab the powder brush And I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I actually set it with the Fit Me translucent powder, but I definitely ran out of that one, so I'm just gonna be using the Airspun for just now. Remember, if you guys seen my videos, like, you know my other contour brush was a mess. Yo, homegirl finally got a new one. It's black. It's fucking beautiful. It's a contour brush, and it's from Mary Kay. And I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Dulce de Leche to contour my cheeks and my jawline. You know I never forget that jawline, girl. Trying to make it seem like we only have one double chin. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm just gonna be cutting my cheek. The other one as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna be grabbing the blush palette from ELF, Ugly and Dirty. So I'm just gonna keep it to myself. Ooh. So next, I'm gonna be using highlighter. My dad, the other day, he came in my room and broke one of my highlighters, which it was my favorite highlighter. Oh my god, look. This is so heartbroken. But as you guys can see, there's still a little bit there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use as much as I can, because that was my favorite highlighter. Put a little bit on my nose. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna be doing the bottom of my eyes that I totally forgot to do. I just realized that I haven't done it. So I'm gonna be grabbing the Dulce shade that I did for the bottom, the top of my eyes, and I'm just gonna smudge that on my waterline. Now I'm just gonna be grabbing the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil and just put that on my waterline. The eyeshadow got in my eye. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna be using the telescopic mascara to put that on my bottom lashes. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette and use the second shimmery shade and pop it on my inner corner. I'm just gonna use the Mary Kay powder brush. This one's so pretty, look. And remove my powder. Alright, now finally, oh my god, I lost this lip liner for like a couple of days, but I finally found it. The Morphe Bite Me lip liner. I'm gonna be outlining my lips with this. Hard for me to show you guys how I do my lips, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to make myself look a little bit cute, because I know my hair looks so messy. So I just leave like space in the center so I can put the other lipstick there. So the same thing with the top. I just kind of put dark in the middle and then like a little bit on front. And leave like the center clear. Other lipstick, which is I just had it here. Oh, it's right here. It's the Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Taunt, right? It's the shade Taunt, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna be adding that where I didn't add the other lipstick, so it'll be only in the middle. Wow, I look bomb. Jesus Christ. Who is she? Really, sometimes I do leave it like this, and then sometimes I do add gloss. When I do add gloss, I use this one right here, or I use the Wet n Wild lip gloss. This is the, what shade is this, bro? Sweet Glossa. But I think I'm kind of feeling the matte. Nah, fuck, I'm gonna add the lip gloss because it makes me look more bomb. Ooh, I knew adding the gloss was not a bad idea. Okay, you guys. Damn. So this is the final look. I would put my hair down, but I'm kind of feeling it like this. So this is the final look. Of course, you guys can always skip the eyeliner if you guys like are running out of time or running late to go to work. Then you can just pop some lashes and the look will still look bomb as fuck. Guys, want to keep watching my videos and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.